I got an error code 61 on my Rheem tankless water heater. What do I do?
My name is. I look forward to helping you. I am a Rheem factory trained and certified repair technician.
What do I do about error code 61?
Error code 61 is an error with the combustion fan.
Where is the combustion fan located?
Follow the troubleshooting below or go to https://www.rheem.com/findapro/ for a factory trained rep. The fan is inside the unit. Have you removed the cover?
I removed the cover.
Do you see the fan?
Is the fan right above the circuit panel?
Depends, you haven't told me the model number yet.
The model hash is ECO180DVN3. I would call, but my reception in the basement sucks.
Look for a model number near a serial number, should start with RTG. Or give me the serial number.
I don't see RTG anywhere. The serial hash is SL0511J01052.
See below and take note for future use. See below for blower fan.
I still can't tell where the fan is.
Let's see if I can find a better pick.
How do I get to the fan?
It's behind the circuit board.
I had a feeling that's where it was. I must remove the circuit board and mounting panel, right?
Correct. See if the fan spins freely. If it does, then it's bad or isn't getting power. If it doesn't, then something has it jammed. Unjam it, then try again.
I will try that. I will get back to you.
Okay.
The fan appears to be moving freely.
Then it is either bad or not getting power. Check wiring harness, and if that's all good, buy a new fan.
I will put it back together and let you know.
Sounds good.
I put everything back together, and it is still showing an error 61.
Need a fan.
Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. After replacing the circuit board, the controller, and the combustion fan, I'm still getting a code 61.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.